to show you how to put in lifelines and waste yarn for an Afterthought pocket. So you want a smooth yarn for the lifelines. This is going to be the lifeline, and this is where my pocket is. So I'm just going to thread the lifeline through these stitches. Leave a bit of a tail on each side and just make sure that the lifeline went through every stitch. Which it looks like it did. All right, and then do that for your other side. And then you're going to want to have another piece of yarn for the waste yarn. And I like to have this as like a different color, just so it's easier to tell what's the waste yarn and what's the lifeline. Okay. Once you have your lifelines in, now I want to knit on my waste yarn. So now you want to move your waste yarn stitches back to the left needle. Okay, so now you want to knit with your sweater yarn across these stitches, and then we're going to be putting in the second lifeline in those stitches. And you'll want to leave a longer tail. I was just using an existing piece of yarn, so that's why my tail is so small. That's why I tied it together here. But it's nicer to leave a tail length like this. Now you want to grab your yarn needle and your lifeline. And you want to put your lifeline through these stitches. Okay, then you want to make sure that it's gone through every stitch. All right, and there you have your pocket.